Hey everyone, my name's Jeff. Welcome back to Jones Works. It's been a while since I've made any videos because I've just been super busy through the winter, but now that we're here in the spring, we're all quarantining ourselves and staying safe. I thought I'd take the opportunity to work down some of the scrap wood I've got in the shop here. It's all over the place. I've got cutoffs from previous projects and pieces of wood that I got for projects and never used. So I'm gonna try to work through that, see how it goes, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get to the project. hope you guys enjoy this one. These were a couple of really simple projects I thought I'd just hammer out real quick to get the ball rolling and get a video out to you guys. I do have larger scrap wood projects coming up soon, so stick around for those. Next, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody because I've noticed recently a pretty significant spike in subscribers on my channel. I was getting kind of discouraged on making videos there for a while just because it takes so much extra time while I'm doing a project to set up the camera everywhere, and this has definitely made me excited to make videos on my projects again. So huge thank you to everybody. I look forward to making more videos on my projects and taking you along for the ride. So thanks again. Lastly, I just want to say I hope everybody's staying healthy and safe out there. Times are crazy and we're all in this together. So anything we can do to help each other out, now's the time to do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next project.